Pour condensed milk on top of the chicken wings. A tasty recipe ready in no time. Let's get right into it. We'll need about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, cover with water. Mix and let it sit for 10 minutes. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Drain the water from the chicken wings and add them to the pan. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Mix the seasonings well with the chicken. Let it brown nicely. Look how juicy it's getting. Now let's make a delicious sauce. 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. This is our special touch. And ½ a lemon. Everyone, what's your go-to seasoning for chicken wings? Mix well. Now just add it to the chicken and mix thoroughly. Have you ever put condensed milk on chicken wings before? You have to try it, it's so good. Cover the pan and let it cook over low heat for 10 minutes. Our chicken wings are finished. They're moist and absolutely wonderful. For an extra touch, add parsley to taste. Chicken wing lovers, you've got to try this recipe. It's scrumptious, quick, and bursting with incredible flavor. Thank you for joining me. See you next recipe. Enjoy.